the mist rolling in. You can see that, but it's pretty windy. It's actually calmed down quite a lot from last night. It was really blowing last night. Right before I take it down, there's my tarp. There's the door. It's just blown in. Normally I stake it out the back side, but I've just come out of it. Just wanted to look at this. When there's really high wind, like there was last night, I put down my peg and a rope, and then put some rocks on the rope. The rocks are holding the tarp a little bit, but what's really keeping it in is the rope allows the tent peg to pull straight horizontal to the ground. So there's no chance that the wind is going to snap the tent peg up. It just keeps a constant, steady pressure on the peg. So I was really secure last night. There's no chance this is going anywhere, despite the fact that it was blowing. I don't know. It was probably a gale last night, to be honest. It was really, really windy. I'm sure I can check. But you can see those clouds moving across the horizon. They're moving pretty quick. This morning they're flying around. What I think flew into my tent. It was a pretty strange noise. Alright, well that's the direction of travel today. I'm going to go around the back side of this hill and down to Loch Garrick, I think it is. Alright, I'll see you then.